Oh man, they did the Bulls dirty today. So again, we were looking at break of the highs to at least say if you're going to go in, break above the high, and they broke it and then rolled it all the way back in. You could see definitely on the intraday chart, it was really actually, I was like, wow, I didn't believe that they would just do it like that. But again, it's retraced on basically 100% retracement from these highs. So they got you all excited, and then they brought it back on. Game is dirty. Can't say that it's something that I expected at all. But again, I don't think that for this type of move up, I don't think this is a true retracement yet. I don't think that you haven't seen it test. It could layer, could have continued up, but again, this move is a 15% move from the upside in a matter of 2 months. I don't think that it's going to be just 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to be up another 15%, which I think a lot of people want. So again, all the people that missed it, it seems like a great opportunity. Again, if you got here, you say, shit, I missed this dip. I'm going to try to get this dip. Again, the line in sand is underneath this 202 level right now, right here, right now. But again, if you're looking at the fibs, you could say, okay, we got, we haven't even reached 25% of the retracement yet. So again, it's not really that, it's not really that much of a retracement to say anything. So again, people are chasing. I want to get at least 38 to 50%. Max I look at is 61.8 for the dip. And some people don't like stuff like that. They be like, the hell with that. But hey, this is the way I trade, and that's that. So again, it hasn't even got 25% yet. So to say that you're going to be bearish, extremely bearish, no, I wouldn't say that at all. I would say that you just need to be a little bit more patient and not wait for, again, when this happened, I was like, dude, it's just, you're 1 bar from the high. So now you're 4 bars from the high. Whoop-de-doo. It's not a true retracement based on, look at the rip that we had going on. And we'll see what happens from there. Let's look at the Q. Oops. Let's see. Let's look at the QQQ. QQQ look like it's pretty much the same thing. But again, if I were looking to get short, it would be something to say like this type of pattern that I expressed, not just going short. Again, if you're looking to go short, some people might say this is a, I want a little bit of spacing. Again, some people might go short tomorrow. That's cool. But again, tomorrow's Friday, weekly expiration, so they might just hover it. You never know. But I would look for a better setup. I would look for something that comes to give me a little bit of spacing, like I said, that we can capitalize on if we're looking to go short. Again, the retracement hasn't even been 25% yet. You got not even a break of a high yet. So again, if you were saying, shoot, this is a great bullish candle, I'll get a break of a high, it hasn't broken that. It gave lower highs. The volume, again, it's sideways for a little bit, which you can see. It's currently a lower high on the Russell. Volume decreasing, but again, it gave the same fade. So you can't say that the bears didn't do anything. You have a lot of volatility that jumped into the market over the past 3 days, and it's coming to fruition. So we got to see what happened. At least with Diamond. Yeah, they did the same thing. I thought they didn't break the previous day's highs, but they did. So again, it's just saying 1, 2, 3, 4th day pull back. You see that it's not even 25%. Gotta be careful with that stuff. Apple still, again, some people went short here. You're still in the running. I would protect my stop, at least go break even or something like that, because you don't know where it's going to go. But this one, again, the run up, it's still layering above here. So if you did take the long, okay, you're gonna have to just define your risk and maybe get stopped down below here. But it is what it is. So GoPro actually shit the bed today and continuing again hit the 61 target that I had, not top, off of this low. You can check my videos on the 28th, so you're not know I'm BSing you. And that one came down, and again, I'll be peeling a lot of profits off on that one if I was in that one. Tesla's continue to look bearish. Again, I wouldn't be looking for anything above this 255 area before I would start looking at a long at all. Quite honestly, it's just in a bearish type of thing. So don't try to, catch a falling knife here. Google's still showing a channel of down. You're just going to respect the channel until it's the current downtrend. You have this flush down, then you have it up to 50%, and it pretty much fought there. So I would definitely keep that on the radar. But again, the weekly doesn't look that good either. If you look at the weekly, it could just be sideways consolidation, but it's been sideways for a while. So we'll see if these levels right here, these obvious levels of basically this 500 level, is going to hold. we'll see what happens with that. Baba, last but not least, Baba. It doesn't look that bad. I think that Baba could actually continue to the upside, but again, it's still it's just grinding. But again, if we get a higher low, I'll definitely take that long. It's still above this previous high here, which is the IPO high. So it's still in a bullish formation to me. I guess it's probably 50%. Let me see. Yeah, about the 50%. But I would wait for some type of price formation before I would go long in this. I just wouldn't go long on a break. I want to see it break up and continue to the upside. So yeah, it was dirty, but it happened. So you got to keep your powder dry. Again, I said, if you feel uncertain, reduce size. Again, you can, if you're good at day trading or looking to do some intraday trading versus staying away from after this long rip, there's nothing wrong with that, because the year end is coming. A lot of these guys might buy the dip because they have to meet their numbers. A lot of these guys, the hedge fund guys and stuff like that, might not meet their numbers, and they have to beat the S&P, or what's the point? I'll just put in the SPY. So, all right. So take it